according to your opinion, what are the changes brands need to make immediately?
So the biggest change is consistency and frequency. Now, it used to be okay that if you can create like maybe 10 12 posts a month and post like 2 3 times a week, that would be sufficient, right? But the algorithms no longer support organic reach and engagement. Only on certain platforms do they support it, and it has now demanded that we create content at a higher frequency. Higher frequency also means we can't create content for the sake of creating content. It has to be crafted, it has to be targeted towards the audience that you need, and it has to have that human flavor in it. So that's why founder led conversations, humanized conversations, are actually leading the way. So if you look at it now, personal brands are bigger more than ever. Founders and CEOs are leading the pack when it comes to their digital presence. It is through them that their organizations and brands are also getting their popularity. So basically, whether it's the founder's vision, employees' story, customers' journey, these are the kind of content that are sort of prominent right now and that are getting the attention right now on social media. So in my opinion, while you focus on frequency and consistency, you have to invest in the storytelling element of your content and make it more humanized.